Hi everyone, in before video we seen how to display the score in our game. So in this tutorial we'll work with, if we collect all the coins we'll get win text, so you win. So we'll work on that, and if you not seen before tutorials you can find all the tutorials are available in description. And also if you're new to this channel, just hit that subscribe button, you can learn many technology things here. Let's watch this amazing video. Yes, in before video we seen how to display our score in text box. Just it's a small recap about before video. So if I collect all coins I'll get the score. So I'm collecting and I'm displaying the score in my text box, and I given the values for each coin also. So you can find now in this tutorial my task is, if I collect all the coins I'll get win text, not seen. I want to print win text. So your win. If I collect the 4 coins I should get your win. So just go here and just go to scripts which was created, and first of all we written in, we are printing this one in reposition delay, right? So before printing we need to create a win text. Just right click the canvas and go to UI and create a text and name it as win text. So the text name is also name it as you win. So you win, and just use alt shift the shortcuts and keep the middle, and you can see that it was in middle, and just increase the size to 20 and keep the color is yellow, then we can able to view. So done, we done everything and you can able to find. So just write the code and take that public, you have to write in reposition delay because we are printing this text score in that, right? So public text dot, so win text, and just before we should start this text should be empty. If you are playing the game, this text should not show, right? It should be empty. So just win text dot text equal to, so it should be empty, right? So so if it's the score is equal to which score, if I collect all the coins we can see that, so our score was equating to this one. And yes, because I didn't save the script, that's why it's showing that you win. So 8, so 9, our score greater than or equal to, if score equal to 9, then it should be print win text dot text equal to you win. So you win. So just save this one and control S and go here and now play. So it's working or not, we can see that. And it still was not empty, right? Because we didn't added our text component to our script, right? So just open reposition delay, I didn't add it, just drag this one and drop here, and you can see now is it will go. Did you observe that you win text was gone? So and there is an error, it start reposition start delay was not accessing this one. So just open this one and win text dot text equal to, yes, why it was not accessing? So oh, before I think so, now it's clear, right? Just start and you can see now it's working fine, because before we didn't added the things. So just you can see, if I collected 8 I'll get win text. So yes, Did you see in you win, right? So this is the way you are getting. Just increase the size, and background should also should not work. The player and everything should stop. So for me, so just go here and write time dot time scale equal to 0. Just save this one, and you can see the difference between this, and just play this one and maximize. Yes, of course I'm doing. Yes, yes, you win. And now my player is not moving. Everything was done, right? So this is the way to get you win text by collecting all the coins. So I think in before tutorial I given the task how to print, and so many members, I think I don't know how many members are did. If you did, just comment in comment section. And that's all for this tutorial. So I'll come with another tutorial, that is how to add enemies and how to add obstacles in our game. So that's all for today's tutorial.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything